Welcome to Books Before Bed, your spot for a nighttime story.
Comiendo el Arcoíris, Eating the Rainbow. Escrito por Patricia Barrera Boyer. Written by Patricia Barrera Boyer. Hola, me llamo Ceci. Hi, my name is Ceci. Me gusta comidas blancas, como el pan blanco, un huevo hervido y trozos de jícama. I like to eat foods that are white, like white bread, a white boiled egg, and jícama slices. Mi abuela dice, debes comer el arcoíris, es muy sabroso. My grandma says, you should eat the rainbow, it's delicious. Usted es muy chistosa, abuela. No puedo comer un arcoíris, le respondo. You're very silly, Grandma. I can't eat a rainbow, I respond. Abuelita dice, vamos a la tienda y te enseño. Grandma says, let's go to the store and I will show you. Mira, las comidas buenas tienen los colores del arcoíris. Hay comidas rojas, anaranjadas, amarillas, verdes, azules, moradas y violetas, dice abuelita muy emocionada. Look, the foods that are good have the colors of the rainbow. There is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and violet, Grandma says excitedly. Abuelita me informa, esta semana vamos a comer comidas de un color diferente cada día. Grandma informs me, this week we're going to eat foods of a different color each day. El lunes vamos a comer las comidas rojas. Hay tomate, fresa, remolacha y cereza. On Monday, we will eat foods that are red. There is tomato, strawberry, beet, and cherry. El martes vamos a comer las comidas anaranjadas. Hay naranja, camote, zanahoria, y albicote. On Tuesday, we will eat foods that are orange. There is an orange, a sweet potato, carrot, and apricot. El miércoles vamos a comer las comidas amarillas. Hay piña, limón, plátano y elote. On Wednesday, we will eat foods that are yellow. There is pineapple, lemon, banana, and corn. El jueves vamos a comer las comidas verdes. Hay espinaca, uvas, aguacate, y lechuga. On Thursday, we will eat foods that are green. There is spinach, grape, avocado, and lettuce. El viernes vamos a comer comidas azules, como arándanos y tortillas de maíz azul. On Friday, we will eat foods that are blue, like blueberries and blue corn tortilla chips. El sábado vamos a comer comidas moradas, como las ciruelas pasas y los higos de nuestros árboles. On Saturday, we will eat foods that are purple, like plums and figs from our fruit trees. El domingo vamos a comer comidas violetas, como las uvas. On Sunday, we will eat foods that are violet, like grapes. Abuelita, muchas gracias por Semana del Arcoíris. Mañana voy a compartir el arcoíris con mis amigas. Le digo a abuelita. Grandma, thank you so much for my rainbow week. Tomorrow I will share the rainbow with my friends, I tell Grandma. Hola amigas, ¿quieren probar mi arcoíris? Hi friends, would you like to try my rainbow? The end.